Remikapta aju kamataya paubing. BJP with 44 Foundation Day Mion Haira, CM Bongaloli Yari Karali, Propaganda Musem Kawai Chief Minister Biren Hanghaira. Tanghul Vareshi we alumdi, Kangakai Malayla, Kokasada, Zadva Kawai Minister Kushim Bashumna Kasat Haira. Tanghul Baptist Gospel 125 years need Drake Mion Aina, Nsoda Vareli Ngre Ungda, Lukamashan Ngau Kawai, MP Lorho Fozena Kasat Haira. Lake Yangutor, Ache the Tanku Express with Pau Rinch Bemmerza in a Pamidale, Pau Bing Lisa in a Rumsa. BJP Manipur Pradeshna, Party Chui, Hangmatida Committee Foundation Day Aya Tumble, Shanglanli Mion Haira. Kazip Jili Chief Minister N. Biren Singh, BJP Manipur Pradesh President Sharda Devi Zangda Party Wimibing, Ministers, MLAs Ping Vazanga. Foundation Zimik Show Kamion Chili Party Linka Kame Shayama Prasad Mukherjee Kala Den Dayal Upadaya Li Tribute Mi Haira Kala Veteran Party Member Pingli Kayagashi Pongshoka CM Biren the Kamatuli Arihon CM Bangaloli Mitra Kavaya Guji Maramli Propaganda Mangyao Kavai Hanga CM we Bangalochi Yari winner the election Kupailala Ot Ngada the way Wang Yari Tracker Russian Chui Aina Propaganda Masem Shoklu the Chief Minister Hangsanga Tanghul Vareshi we alumli Kangakai Malayla Kokasada Zadvan Kawai Minister Kushim Mushumna Kasathaira Ukrul headquarterly Rungda Kalay Tanghul Baptist Gospel Jingum Shaka Magadapanga Kashum Highway Kwasku Sentinel Litrajili Minister Kushim Bashumla Wazangda Angran Angaye Chili Zangukui we Ringapangala awi Ningyang Kung Pongshoka. Vareshi we need Gazip Timikshok Kutuma, Cultural Program the Chief Minister N. Biren Singla, Kazang Radamaya Haira Kasana, Ka State we Angred La, Election Adam we restrictions later, Magagabai we Wang Awim Hutsada Minister Kushim the Wazanga. Kushim the Kahang, Nidre Hili CM Nala, Ningsang Mida Ayarng Lay we Aina. Ungzangi Gachiping Wivang Visa Gata, Kangaran Li CM Mashana, Yang Sang Miachi. Kala CM Nakutom, Jitaida, Lupa Laktra Miachi. Biren Mashamakara to the Shalamji Hangajipunli, Nitre Hu Aina, Jad Urangada de Wi Alumli, Leshi Kamay, Quick Rang, Sarano Gala, Saigoran Ngalay Hili, Chingri Kavai, Se Hasami Kavai Kasat Sanga. Minister Kashim Nakahang, Reader Centenary Mion Gakui Gala, Achadankul Vareshi Zingum Shaka Magada Pangara Shungahai he, Verena Atayao Sang Rikap Gachi, Pungyo Baptist Church Wimanga Aina, Drakana Paikar Gakui Sampangada Pungyo Baptist Church Lipsot Mia. Kure Sada Tanrami Gahai, Hunpunila, Ningushi Majan Sanga. Nidreya Kamubung Pada Kamayon Alungli, Minister Kashimna Ning Kamagazilla Pongshoka Gaja, Ajivareshi Alungli Church Association Nagaida Ladale. Rakra TBG Zingum Shaka, Hangpanga Kamayon Lea, Association Domination, Makaila Vareshi Kokasada, Mion Kawai, Minister Kashimna Kasat Sanga. Minister Kala Awi Shimkurna, Kakadom Jite Lupa Aina Kangujon, Bangran Lamia, Kazip Jili Manipur Outer MP, Dr. Lorho Fozena Vazanga. Dr. Lorho Nakamujili, Itum Vareshi, Nsamang Mada, More Lungli Ringfuda Rivrawi Legashi, Lukamashan Arila Dargar Saching Fuyagachi Hangsanga. Jona We Krajan Li Jansamda, Itum Ajazingum Hiranka Vareshi Sara, Hai Salala, Ninive we Richum now being Tadat Leda Kalay, Dr. Frozen Hanga. Church Kala Gatana Ping we Aina Twitter, Saigorana Vreli Hanungda, Ninkangate Dagar Sahira, Vrewi Legashi, Lukamashan, Kami Kangagao, Dagar Sahira, the MP China Guzum Sanga. Achi with DBCA with Azingli Tanghul Baptist Gospel Kamayon Hili, Northeast MPS Forum Gala, Delhi Wishong Aina Christian MPS Pingnala, Shalam Hangjipuna, the MP Lorhona Majan Sanga. Kazip Jili Emile Ramwiva, Vazangra the Lakesa, Delhi Arishangli, Kazat Hada Lehau the Mungra Tua. Emile Ramna Shalam Ji Kamili Nitrechu Aman Gasatada, Among career with Ningai Kama Pongshoka. TBG 125 years Nitre Angran Angye Achukup Sangra, Yari Akama Gatanra. SBI Bishnupur branch Wilupa Kwipungda, Yam Haira Gasa, Kesherli to Kwihira. Mibachi monarch leishram hoda awili bank wi lupa crore khani la sinada leikasana chi ali so thang north delhi crime branch na tukhuya bishnupur district police na kupthang manipur li khuyungra chi police report athishura monarch leishram hi jingum hangmadi da akha kodam pokpi mamang leikai wi mina monarch na bank chili senior assistant sa da leisai ana acha hun tarik khani thang wi eina khipau kha mami la otpam mralak tuwachi awi pangli bank locker room wi chabi la leikasana kala staff locker room kisholi lupa crore khani malai kasa eina complaint sa da state police na pha kasana ali du khui haila la ana khui ga hai lupa ji han khui hairaka katha khala ngari ga hai pau mami mana Lok Sabha polling jimik sho thang kala poll day manga jimik sho akhawi alungli political party maning akha candidate na print media li advertisement masang paimra chi haira Election Commission of India ECI na jizi khami athishura political advertisement ni gzang maram bingji MCMC committee state or district level wi aina ECI na pre-certified sami haira gasa maning akha mamyamara MCMC li khamya gapo chile advertisement phongra gachi tarik wi mangali jimik sho khani thang sangrang the application iphulungra da hanga phaikar ga khui hi makhamashung la yarili ngui da thei khui khangasak advertisement mo phong sak khwai kasana chi UPSC Civil Services Prelims Exam thagi da khalai Manipur candidates ping exam center ngijei khui khwai chishat mi haira Union Public Service Commission na notice ka shok athishura porika apam Imphal Center ka pangkhui haira ka saji candidate ping na notified centers hangchishat wi ngichaili kajicha athishura ngijei khui baira maram hi UPSC wi official website upsc.gov.in li yongkhui baira porika center ngijei khwai option hi UPSC website li April khaying tarik jishat aina thuida April khaying tarik thada chiko aina tangda atam mira candidates pingna athumui centers ngijei mi khwai gapo toll free helpline number 1800118711 li nghanwa paira center ngijei ku khiji emails aina la uscsp2upscanic.in li jiphun baira da hanga Civil Services Prelims Examination hi mukhu June tarik thada churuk thang rungmi gidalai Ladak wi khak shorgarna shami khwai yaroina border march sarag jili kham khwai ka sa thada administration na leli reli mujat bai murag chi sha thaira activities ping na gahang athumui border march ji ayen kai khwai saga gachi maning manada march li makham mi marada kachi han lai Ladak wi yaro apex politikala Gargil Democratic Alliance KDN Thanda statehood kala 6 schedule li jang khwai poda khalaina idumna thei pai maram hiwang climate activities sonam wangchukna chimik sho mukda akhathang kakhum aina strike sada achang chang meyo tarik mugda churuk thang kupsanga anagahang athumna poda khalai chi chithei khwai chingri ka hai apong aina protest sagi kichina Ladak administration na prohibitory orders structure release mujat paimara kala 24 hours internet speed tap maing sagra chi haira apex podijina border pashmina march to changthang jadwara kala chi matai lak aina seigo hom bingui kasak sampang da khalai maram shami khwai kasana athumui bamli industrial plants ka khak rang ta kala china na leiha tar khara hikatha hina soihom phung khamatai apam trakha shiman hawaji Athumui March ji mazat ngasam khawai kasa thada Lewi district magistrate na achatarik shini thang CRPC section 144 kapar khak mi haira kala magistrate wi khamaya mazang la procession rally maning akha March mazat pai mara chi haira Lok Sabha polling mahapokrang laga khu Union Minister Amit Shah Manipur li unglapai chidalai The print we pau athishura Manipur administration na gahang Union Minister hi masang la Imphal li ungkhawai khangran sadalai achakum road marat kaphok wi aina Union Minister chi state hili akashidamang ungthara Sha unglapai gi hi sothang kakching district wi mi bingde kharjan kasali Chief Minister N Biren Singh na hangachi Indo-Myanmar Leiret ngawai pinra gachi center wi Twitter li makhamya ngawal dushita Mizo group li rally gzat khawai ran haira Free movement regime FMR Malay Limera, Le Border Fencing Saragachili, Makamia Pongshok Kawai, Aizol Mizoram Li, Kalay Zor Reunification Organization, Zorona Ajuwi Tarik Trada Turuktang Rally Zat Kawai, Langjin Sahira. Zorowi Kamadaya Ningrinvel, Zor Reunification Hinachi. India, Myanmar Kala, Bangladesh we Abam Gada with Chin, Kuki, Kalamizo Community Saigora Kokasang Sakta, Single Administrative Entity Azingli Lake Kawai Gasahi, Zorowi Ningrin Nachi. FMR Makai Kami La, Layred Ngavekapin Hina, Layred Kanishong, Leda Kale, Zonau Bingwi, Nijaili, Socio Cultural Kala, Economic Kangasun Leda Kaleli, Sazahara the Krupjin Hanga. Center with Jutakji Zonau Bingli. Kangasan Malay, Atumwining Gajang, Matamila, Kasana Gaji, Vaumalan Kawai, Rally Jizadra Gaji, Mizoram CM, Lalju Homa Nala Center with Judak Jili, Makamia Pongshok Babama. Border Management Pamai Kawai Gasali, Stakeholder Saigorali, Kayashi the Yaruli Kangasan Dargasa Pongshok Kaira. Ladluida Aju Kamataya Baubing. BJP with 44 Foundation Day Mion Haira, CM Bongaloli Yari Karali, Propaganda Musem Kawai Chief Minister Biren Hanghaira. Tanghul Vareshi we Alungdi, Kangagai Malayla, Kokasada, Zadvan Kawai Minister Kushim Bashumna Kasat Haira. Tanghul Baptist Gospel 125 years need Drake Mion Aina, Nsoda Vareli Ngre Ungda, Lukamashan Ngau Kawai, MP Lorho Fozena Kasat Haira. Achu Pau Hiling Jang Haira, Pau Nada Kalina Tum Sai Gorali, Ring Pangala Kamahaya Zimikshong Sas Sereno.